Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon goes after switchers with this new unlimited plan discount, and it's actually pretty good. I mean, it's all right. It's nothing I would say, mind changing or, industry shattering, but it definitely is pretty good, especially for Verizon, I would say. Of course, I've seen other carriers do this, like T-Mobile, Sprint, back when they were still a thing, and other carriers. I think even AT&T is starting to do it, but for Verizon to do something like this, man, they must really need some new subscribers because it's only for new subscribers. So let's go ahead and take a look. Like I said, this is for switchers, so it's trying to bring over new, new customers, should I say, because they have been losing some customers just because their plans are pretty high. Yes, they do have the best coverage in the whole United States, but the plans are, of course, the highest. So you get what you pay for with Verizon. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. So it says Verizon is lowering some of its prices to fight T-Mobile. So really, as you can see, T-Mobile's really kind of shaking up the industry with their low prices. And, we've lost, a couple of customers actually to T-Mobile, especially with their 55 and plus. They actually, I don't even know how T-Mobile does it. I swear they'd be losing money on that plan, but they do keep customers on that plan. So let's get into it, guys, and see what they have to say. This is through cnet.com, so let's go ahead and check it out. It says Verizon is making some small adjustments to its cheapest unlimited plan. Remember, their cheapest unlimited plan was $30, and I believe that was like the entry level one, or the welcome unlimited, I think it was called. It says, and they're doing this to try to get some of the new users. It says the carrier has announced that it will be running a limited time offer. So limited time could be a week, could be a month, could be 2 months, could be a year. Who knows? I don't know. Limited time offer that will drop the price from its welcome unlimited offering by $5 a month. So they will be lowering their unlimited or welcome unlimited plan by $5. So you're going to be saving $5 a month. So that would put it closely to the rival T-Mobile's Essential and Basic Essentials offering. The new deal starts on Friday, so I believe it started already. This is a couple days back now. If not, it's about to start, but I believe it started already. It says, in addition to the cheaper price, Verizon is also noting that those who take advantage of the deal will be getting a 3-year price guarantee. Man, I don't really like seeing these price guarantees or price lock. It's basically saying the price is going to go up. So these prices will definitely go up, guys, in the near future. Visible Wireless is doing the same thing. A lot of carriers are saying, price guarantee. Thanks to inflation, the prices of phone plans are probably going to go up. But Verizon's saying, hey, if you get this, cheaper introduction, welcome unlimited plan, we'll price lock you for 3 years. Yeah, just 3 years. So they are promising that. So, I mean, I give them that. It's all right, 3 years, but it'd be better if you price lock the people for, as long as they keep the plan, that'll be even better. But who it is. It says, so they basically promise that they'll price lock you, and they won't raise the plan's price on a variety of its most recent plans. It says Verizon's change is available to new users of Welcome Unlimited. Under the offer, the rate will be the following, assuming autopay payments and paperless billing are set up. So these are set up with autopay and paperless billing, guys. These will be the new rates for that. So this is for the Welcome Unlimited. One line $60 a month, down from $65. So you are saving $5. $50 per line per month. That's down from $55 per month. For 3 lines, it's $35 per line, which is reasonable. Down from $40, and then number 4 and higher, it says 4+ lines is $25 per line per month, down from $30 per month for 4 lines. Remember, that's what they used to have. If you wanted $30 a month plan, you had to have the auto pay and paperless billing and 4 lines. Of course, they're giving you an additional $5 discount. Now it's $25, which is pretty good, actually. I would say $25 a line, guys. They're cheap. Of course, you're not going to get no HD streaming or priority data. I mean, you're the bottom of the barrel with this unlimited data. It's still limited. It's just bottom of the barrel. So the deal is not available for existing welcome unlimited users. So if you just signed up with them and you're getting the $30 a month plan, you're like, hey, I want the 25. Tough luck, and that's the nice way of saying it. But yeah, you can't get it. If you're already on Verizon's Welcome Limited plan, you cannot switch it down to the $25 a month plan, which is kind of dumb. I mean, but like I said, this is trying to get or attract new customers to Verizon. So I get it. I mean, it's a business thing. Says if you have a Welcome Unlimited right now, you'll stuck with the rate you have. If you have a Welcome Unlimited and wanted to add a line, however, the new line and only the new line would be discounted at the above rate. Wow. So let's say if you had 3 lines and you want to do the 4th line, you could technically get it for $25 per month for just that line. So that 3rd line would still cost you $40, but that 4th line, instead of it costing $30, it'd be $25. So I mean, it's not bad. So first introduced in July, the Welcome Unlimited plan is Verizon's answer to T-Mobile's cheaper Essentials and Base Essentials plan. It includes unlimited talk, text, and data, but there are no perks like free Disney bundle, Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu, and it comes with a handful of other restrictions that are worth keeping in mind. It says for one, all lines on the account will need to be on this plan. You cannot mix and match. Lines on the family plan, so basically everybody will be stuck on that basic. You cannot, let's say if I want to pay a little bit more so I can have HD streaming, which I always preach, I love HD streaming. Yes, there's Wi-Fi everywhere else, but if I'm sitting in a car and I want to watch some videos, I want to watch it in full-blown HD. That's just me personally. But basically, if you're all on this plan, family plan, you cannot mix and match. You're stuck with it, is what it's saying. So basically, it says you cannot mix and match lines on a family plan that wouldn't allow you to get perks like the Disney bundle. So it says there are no discounts on upgrading to new phones when on unlimited Welcome Unlimited. You will need to bring your own device or pay full price to upgrade. Jeez. I mean, so no discounts. Like say you're getting bottom barrel. If you want to get the free phone promotion, like everybody's, I want a free phone and the cheap plan, it's not gonna work, guys. I'll tell you this much, it's not gonna work. It says, and while you have unlimited talk, text, and data, those on Welcome Unlimited do not have access to Verizon's fastest 5G flavor, what the carrier calls 5G ultra wideband, and do not get mobile hotspot access. So no mobile hotspot, and you do not get 5G ultra wideband. Which me personally, I get it on my plan, but I don't really care for 5G ultra wideband. It's not available everywhere, so trust me. As long as you get 5G nationwide 5G, I think you're all right. It says the new offer comes as Verizon looks to turn around a recent string of poor results that have seen customers flee its network for different providers. The carrier has been busy raising prices earlier this year. It seems like Verizon, all they're doing is raising their prices, and they're like, whoa, we're losing customers. You know, they need the customer base to pay their bills so they can have the money. So if they keep raising their prices, a lot of, you know, especially if the recession's coming, guys, a lot of people are going to be switching over to a cheaper provider like T-Mobile, like US Cellular, like maybe even AT&T. Who knows? Or even prepaid. I bet you prepaid is going to skyrocket in the next couple of years if the price do keep to climb, just because on prepaid you do get a cheaper rate. Of course, you can get some perks, but you do get a lot of other things. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully this video was informative and that you enjoyed it. And you know, I'm here for you guys. So if you need anything, let me know. Thank you and have a nice day. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking the description below. I will have some things where you can support the channel. So thank you, guys.